I love those fun designs, so it is so simple to do it. I've got a drop of the black foil design gel, and we are gonna just paint like on very, very fine lines. Little branches for our leaves. And then more on this one. Try to keep it like as thin as possible. And then give it a cure. So once you cure it, I'm going to use Sharpie markers and also a Copic markers. So I've got a mixture of the different ones. And what I'm doing is I'm just painting like basically lots of little dots around the branches we have created. Then grab the yellow one for a balance. And just so our leaves are more interesting, again, add lots of little dots. And as you can see, it doesn't take long, like it's a very, very quick design to do it. Then, in my case, I'm going to use a watercolor brush, and it's fantastic because it smudges the things best. And I've got a drop of the blue scrub, that's a Nail dehydrator, but it does works with alcohol too. And you can also try different markers as well. And what I'm doing now is I'm just touching it gently with the liquid, so it will start spreading the markers. So just a little touches. Lots of little dots first. Okay, this way the product is spreading really nice and we start creating the leaves, but you can also change its shape. So I'm picking up more liquid. And what I'm gonna do it is I will just change the shape of it so slightly so it's a bigger leaf. Again, pick up a liquid and change the shape of this one. It starts to look so fantastic and autumny. Nice, beautiful watercolor design. Make sure you do not have too much liquid, because if you would have too much liquid on your brush, the things will spread really too strong and you wouldn't have this much control over your design. I'm just doing small touches. And this way I am really happy how it turned out. I have to wait a couple seconds for it to dry and then we can apply the top coat. And then once it's dry, we are going to use the High Shine No Wipe Top Gel, which will protect our design. And it will also make it more life as well, because the things looks much prettier when they shiny. Let's give it cure. That's the finished result. It looks absolutely amazing. Nice autumny leaves. Very simple to do it. I hope you have really enjoyed it. See you next time.